Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a quick brown smoky eye for Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I'm taking the ColourPop Not a Box of Chocolates eyeshadow palette, which I really love. It does have a lot of fallout, so beware. Taking the first color, Little Nougat, I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my brow bone and start to blend it down towards my crease. The next color I am going to take is going to be this tannish shade, and that is called Praline. And I'm going to go ahead and start to pack that in my crease and start to blend it up towards my brow. I'm going to go back and forth and pick up a little more product to deepen it and do the same exact thing. Just deepen up that crease and blend it upwards. Taking the next shade, which is Tiramisu, I'm going to go ahead and pack that on with a flat shading brush all over my lid and start to bring that into my crease. Taking the same exact shade Tiramisu, I'm going to go ahead and switch out the brush for more of a blending brush, and I'm going to start packing that color into my crease and blending it upwards. Now as I get older, I'm getting more of a hooded eye. Now that I relax my eye, you can see the hood, so I'm just going to go ahead and relax my eye as much as I can, and I'm going to start to bring that shadow above that hood because I don't want that hood to really stand out. I want the shadow to be above it and everything blended all nice and seamless, and you don't see that I have an actual hood. So I'm just going to keep on blending that shadow upwards until I like how it looks on my eye. I do have a couple of tricks for hooded eyes, so if you guys want to see a video on tricks for hooded eyes, just let me know and I will make it. I have a couple eyeshadow techniques and eyeliner techniques as well. So I just switched out the brush again, and this has nothing on it. I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all the edges of everything, make sure everything is seamless. Taking the darkest shade in the palette, which is 90% cacao, I'm going to go ahead and take this flat eyeliner brush and I'm going to just start stipple on that black color. Now this has a lot of fallout, so you might want to not have a foundation or put down a thick layer of powder underneath your eyes so this brown does not stick to your foundation if you are wearing foundation first. And I'm going to switch out the brush and just start to blend that back and forth, and I'm going to go back and forth between those brushes until I like how it looks. Taking a makeup wipe, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off all that excess eyeshadow that fell down and go ahead and line my waterline with a nude pencil. Now we're going to move on to the bottom eyeshadow, so I'm going to take Tiramisu again and I'm just going to go ahead and place that all on my bottom lid. I'm going to kind of pack it on. I want it a little deep, and then I'm going to go ahead and switch it out for 90% cacao, and I'm going to use that same liner brush from above just to stipple that on my bottom lashes, and then go ahead and just blend out the edges with a larger brush. After this, you could go ahead and apply your favorite eyelashes, and I went ahead and did my foundation routine off camera, but I'm going to list all the products down below so you will be aware of what I used. Moving on to blush, I'm going to use Flirt Alert. This is by ColourPop and it's so cute. The little component that it comes in is adorable, the little heart shape. So I'm going to go ahead and pack this on my apples of my cheek and start to blend it up towards my temple. I love to put blush on the tip of my nose, so I'm going to go ahead and do that as well as my chin. For a highlighter today, I'm going to use my Ofra highlighter in the shade Milk and Cookies, and it has two shades inside of it, so I'm going to use the lighter side. Usually I mix them together, but today I just used the lighter side. I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to the highest point of my cheekbones, around my eyebrow, kind of the center of my forehead, but not quite, my chin, and my nose. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply Champagne Truffle in the inner corners. I'm just using a small detail brush to apply it. I'm going to go ahead and just darken my beauty marks. The one below my brow is not real. It's actually a tattoo that I darkened, but the one under my nose is real. But it gets lighter with the foundation, so I just go ahead and darken it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my whole face with MAC Pepper Prime Fix Plus spray. Make sure to shake it up first. And I'm going to spray that all over and then dry it with my little mini fan. And then I'm going to move on to my lips. Off camera, I did apply the mascara to my top and bottom lashes. For my lips today, I'm going to be lining my lips with a Boutique lip pencil. This is the shade Natural. I'm just going to go ahead and line the top and bottom lip, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in as well. To top that, I'm going to use MAC Honey Love. This is just a depotted lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and use my lip brush. Warm up that lipstick and go ahead and apply to my top and bottom lip. Lastly, to complete this look, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lip gloss. This is the Morphe Madison Beer Mercury lip gloss. So I'm going to apply this to the top and bottom lip, and then the look is complete. Alright guys, so I am back. I went ahead and styled my hair, and this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give the video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.